Okay guys, so quick video on how to re-register a new key for Honda VFR. This is 2008 model. Bike came with two keys, but one key didn't work. It doesn't prime the fuel, it doesn't make any noises. So I bought this cable from eBay, really cheap. It was for 15 quid. Got delivered. It's got the same connector, so you don't have to do anything else. It just goes into the connector. It's got the resistor in there, it's got a fuse in there, and then clips at the end. So I'm just going to do a testing to register a new key. So this is my existing key which works, and then I've got the same key exactly similar to this, but it didn't work. So let's crack on. Okay, so as you can see, that's plugged in. HISS light is still flashing, which is normal. So connector is in. I'm just going to connect these cables now. Okay, so I've plugged negative to negative, positive to positive. Let's go. So that's in. So I'm just gonna get my working key, plug that in. So no noise, no nothing. His light is solid on, which is supposed to do. And now what we need to do is unplug the positive for a few seconds, or I think 5 seconds. So unplug it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plug it back in again. Nothing. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, 4. So you can see it's flashing 4 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that key's registered this now. So what we need to do is take this out, put this somewhere far, and now get my non-working key. Plug that in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's double confirmed. 2, 3, 4. Let's take this off. And now what we need to do is just unplug everything which we plugged in. So positive, negative, both unplugged. Just going to unplug the crank sensor. That's unplugged. I'm just going to plug my back in again. Just bear me a second. So the original one is back in again. I've plugged it in. So I'm just gonna cover this up and test the key. Okay, so this is my original key. Plug this in. Go in. Prime in. Let's remove this and try the programmed key. Plug in, prime in, bang. Both keys programmed thanks to this tool from eBay. I'll put a link in the description if anyone wants to try it, because I've seen one from Honda which is about 60 quid, so 10-15 quid, not bad, and you get a new key for the bike. So thanks for watching.